Morning, guys. So I just did my thing and let's see how much we weigh. Okay. 84. It's like alright, so it's really interesting, yeah? Yesterday I went to bed a little bit early, and today I don't feel like I have that regular morning me, if you know what I mean, if you've been watching my videos. So anyways, 84 kilos, 0.4 kilo less than yesterday, which is 0.88 pounds. I mean, I feel pretty good, especially now that I've gotten a little bit longer sleep. Aside from that, I mean, we're gonna be doing push today. Yesterday I had no carbs, so it was all fat and protein and vegetables. And as for today, it's gonna be the same. There's not gonna be any carbs. So today's push day. Push days are usually easier to go through. So I'm gonna increase my exercise amount to 6 as well. So we are gonna make it a little bit like more calorie burning in terms of that. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the gym. As for my breakfast, I mean, it's gonna be the same thing. Probably some nut butter, protein, something like that. Right? Or I might end up like doing some eggs maybe, but I don't know. Because if I do eggs now, I'm most likely gonna have eggs again later. So I don't want to have like too many eggs in one day, if that makes any sense. So I'll see you guys later, all right, at the gym. So we're at the gym. It is 9:14, so we got a better time than yesterday. Now I'm wearing a tank top. You know why I'm wearing it, if you've been following my videos, so I'm not gonna say it. It's an insider joke. So we are gonna be doing the same thing as last week and start with Smith machine shoulder presses, 3 sets of 10. So we're gonna do like a bunch of warm-ups in the beginning, all right? Just as last week. So with these, we are not going for failure. You need to pick a weight that you can do like 12 reps, okay? But we are not going for 12, we are not going for failure. We are doing only 10 reps, okay? Somewhere around those lines, all right? So by the time you are done with your set, you need to have like another like 2 reps in your tank, okay? So we are done with shoulder presses, and now we are moving on to machine shoulder press. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 20 with this one. The most important thing about this one is that basically to get the full range of motion and work all those fibers that you have in your shoulders, all right? The sun is coming directly from that side, so I cannot even see myself. Hopefully this recording will go well and I will be able to get the exercise right. Well, we'll see. Okay, now we are done with shoulder presses, but we are not done with shoulders, unlike last week. So we are still moving on to our triceps exercise, all right? And then we are gonna do another shoulder, and then we will finish up with chest. Now it is time for our reverse cable curls, reverse cable push downs. We are gonna be doing 3 sets of 20 with this one. Now we are gonna move on to cable rope push downs, all right? 3 sets of 12 for these. So we are done with triceps. Gonna get some water, and then we're gonna move on to thumbs down lateral raises. Do you guys have this kind of like water dispensers in your gyms in whatever country you are? If you do, let me know. If you don't, also let me know, alright? For thumbs down lateral raises, we are going to be going for 3 sets of 20. This is literally by far the my favorite exercise, alright, for the shoulders. Okay, so shoulders done, triceps done. We are finishing off with chest exercise. the same as last week. Incline bench press. All right, so 3 sets of 15. So we are done with our push day 11. There's a construction going on outside, so I'm not gonna be able to keep this long. So I'll see you guys later, all right? Okay, so this is the construction apparently. This is like right outside the gym. I have no clue what they're doing. So anyways, yeah. So we are gonna be doing something different today for post-workout. So I get tomatoes, onions, and bell pepper, right? And I got oil already. I'm gonna add all the stuff inside. Alright, everything's inside. Now let's get some salt in there and some pepper, and let's cook it. I'm like too cooked, too soft. And I'm gonna be adding 5 whole eggs now. So depending on how you like it, you can cook it more, but look at this beauty. I've already added like some hot pepper inside, so you can try and do that too. I like it better when it's spicy. Look at this massive meal. So it's recap time, and let's go over today. Still on 2,600 calories. In terms of like cardio, still nothing doing anything special. I'm going for 10 to 12k steps a day. Between 10 to 12, I'm saying, because sometimes I walk more, sometimes I walk less, sometimes, you know, the watch or the cell phone doesn't track it properly, in my opinion, due to like different circumstances. So this is what I'm aiming for. So nothing has changed. Compared to yesterday, I lost another 0.4 kilos. Not a big deal in my opinion. I mean, it's quite fast considering the fact that for the past 2 days I've lost like 0.8 kilos. We'll see how it continues tomorrow, because for the past 2 days, like today and yesterday, as you know, I'm on very low carbs. My carbs are only coming from vegetables that I'm having, like, you know, all of this and that, you know. So tomorrow it's gonna be a leg day. So I mean, I want to say like I'm extremely excited, but I'm not, so I'm not gonna lie. Leg days are brutal, okay? I don't enjoy brutal workouts, but I do my workouts as brutal as possible, alright? So, and I also, of course, I try to use like some of the exercises that I actually enjoy doing and stuff, okay? Another thing I wanted to talk about today is that, you know, you've seen me in the morning. If you have been following my videos or this 6-week out series, I start recording like as soon as I get up. Like I get up, I go to the bathroom, I take up the phone, and I start recording. Like that's all I do every single time, okay? I don't drink anything, I don't eat anything, okay? Until I actually finish recording that first part every day you see in the mornings. So, but today you've noticed most likely, I mean, I noticed myself, like it was that different, I think, that I was more like awake, if it makes any sense. Like I was speaking a lot faster, I was thinking a lot clearer, and the only difference for that was my sleep. So I went to bed a little bit earlier yesterday, and I was able to get like an extra an hour and a half of sleep, and that was the result. So this is why when we say, you know, like sleep is important, you know, you should get enough sleep, like this is actually the small tiny bits that actually affect everything, all right? So sleep is important, and make sure that you are getting enough sleep when you are, you know, either like doing this program or like any other program, or like even if you're not doing any kind of program, sleep is still important. Do not believe these like weird people, you know.
I will talk about, oh, constant grind, you know, like I never sleep. I sleep like, you know, 3 hours a day.
It's not good for you, all right? So make sure to get enough sleep, okay? Don't buy into this nonsense that they're trying to sell, all right? And in terms of the exercises we are performing compared to last week, we increased the amount of exercises we are doing this week. So I'm not sure if you noticed, but yeah, this is one little thing that you need to remember, okay? So we already did some adjustments actually, okay? Even though I haven't touched my cardio, now I'm performing an extra exercise each day, and that also helps create additional caloric deficit because I'm spending the energy that I normally wouldn't be spending. So yeah, this is pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoy it, and hope you enjoy this workout as well. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 12, and it's gonna be a leg day. So take care.